What's going on, guys? It's been a bit of a weird morning here. I recorded the morning session, and then as I was recording, I was going on, and it felt like I was trying to force a trade. So I stopped recording because I gave back my gains, and then I went a couple $100 into the red. I was long for this, and then I longed the breakout, and then I got stopped out. I tried logging it again, got stopped out. I was just continually taking setups because I was recording. It was like live, and yeah, it wasn't good. So what I'm gonna do instead from here on out is I'm gonna have a different format. So I'm gonna try to catch a trade right here. I'm waiting for a trade to set up at the end of this 5 minute. If we close under 601.75, I'm going to take it short. 601.75.
Order submitted.
But until then, okay, let's turn the volume back up. All right. Let's see if we get this fill. Just a little pop.
Order canceled.
All it needs is a little pop. So what I'm going to do from now on is I'm going to record it, but I'm not going to record. Come on, I need a little more than that. 95. I need more than 95.
Order filled.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to record it live, but then I'm going just the trading part, and then I'm going to go over it in a recap because it's too much more pressure live. I really don't like it, if I'm being honest, and it screws up my trading. And then if I don't take a trade for like half an hour, it seems like I have to just keep talking, and then I'm losing focus, and then I just jump into something. So that's my own fault, I know. But I'm going to control for that by just doing it in that format. I'm going to start doing that format next week. But I did want to jump in something here and show a live thing because I don't like just talking about it and showing P&L. I know it's useless, and I want to provide some value at least. So we'll see what happens here. We just opened the hour, and ES is sending it. It's been sending it all day. I think we'll get a little pullback at least into this setup here into 80. So I took it short here. I managed to claw my way back to profit as I started this video. I was long this setup here. I believe I got stopped out one last time down here. But I ultimately was long for this move. I sold into 80, and then I haven't touched it since. I did not get my ad. I wanted to add here, and it didn't work, or it didn't get there, so we just ripped instead. Opened the hour, popped into a nice short setup. So I just want a quick hard one flush, just one candle to make a new low. I understand it might not happen, but any sort of quick flush, I'm taking it off into like
Order submitted.
78. As it gets towards this candle, the bottom of this candle, I'm going to get antsy. I just know. The move here is ultimately long. We can see, I'm going to do it on this chart. We can see on the 240, uptrend, long setups. Being overextended by its in and of itself doesn't mean anything to me. I don't care. So let's move that stop. Now I don't want to take the L now if it continues higher. Daily, we got room. Oh no, this is ES. Hold on. All right, little push, little push.
Order
There we go.
canceled.
Perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. I wanted a little more, but a couple points now, and I don't want to touch it. If anything, I want that long, right? Like
Order submitted.
ultimately, I'm trying to get long here, so I don't want to sit through the bounce. I don't want to sit through anything else here. Ultimately, I do want this long. So let's just go back to talking. So weekly breakout, I've been talking about this since I started this freaking YouTube channel again. We've broken out of the weekly consolidation. We're going to rip. We're trying to rip into 15K. Right? There's a short setup at 63, and we made it to 27 on in the 600s. But then until then, 15K is the setup. So Um, it's long. These setups are long. It's just everything is screaming long to me until we hit 15K. Now we could have reversal price action, and we've had some some monstrous plummets, yes, but they all get bought back up, and they just rip. They've been ripping shorts. Like, this is why if you keep trying to find the top, you're gonna get murdered. There's a couple good short setups, like for example here, this wick. You bring it over, okay, quick hard flush, but if you don't take it off right away, you get ripped, right? We're in an uptrend. We are moving upwards. We look on the bigger time frame, moving upwards, right? We're in an uptrend. So if you try to swing short it, if you try to do any of that fancy shit, your probability, your numbers are going to be lower. Your probabilities are going to be, like, your win rate's going to be affected negatively. Your profit factor is going to be affected negatively. It's just not, excuse me, it's not ideal. See, if I was still short, I'd be antsy because that was the move. That was exactly what I wanted. Now, do we continue higher? Like, here's the thing. Now that we've done that move, we would move up back into my entry. We would probably end up stopping me out. Maybe take a little more liquidity out and then roll over. I'm not willing to do that, to suffer through that. I wanted a quick hard flush. I mean, I got what, 10 points? 12 points, I think. So that's fine. I might not get this trade. Really, the short is still in play. I would just need a better entry and a better setup for it at that level. But that could have been it. That could have been the only pullback, and we're just going to send it to highs, and I'm not going to take anything but the best short setup and then immediately take it off. That's how I deal with counter trend trades. I'm not trying to short this previous high. I'm not trying to like do any fancy garbage. What I'll do is I'll wait till the open of the 15-minute and see if I get the trade then, because then the 5-minute 9 will be up there as well. If we get it there, perfect. If not, I'll just end the video there. So, new format. I'm going to do it like that because I get screwed up. I get all flustered and like nervous and then like stressed out because I'm like not talking and the video's recording, and yeah, it's just not good, and it's my fault, of course, but my trading comes first, the YouTube channel comes second. So I am going to do that. I think everyone will be fine with that. It'll feel the same. It'll just feel like this video. I'll just have to maybe talk over a live video or something, or I'll have to edit it, or I'll have to stop recording and then start recording as I take the trade. I'll figure it out. No worries. So everything's screaming long. Everything is freaking screaming. This was a crazy move, by the way. Holy shit. 100 points in a 5-minute candle, 2 consolidations, and then like a 70 point, and then eventually a 150 point move to the downside in 15 minutes. Crazy. So NQ is all about being patient and trying to get the best fill possible so you don't get wicked out. This was a great trade, actually, this one, this first, but I didn't sell it up here. I wanted a little more, and it just gave it all back. I should have had a... Oh, man, sorry. I should have had a tighter stop. I left my stop at 15 points. It was just messy. It's all good. I was recording, it was messy, so... Traded my way back, long here, made it back. I think I was short again, and then long, stopped out. Long, took profits. Long, took profits, so. There's a long setup right here, but I think I can get a better fill. I want to get a better fill. And I don't want to get filled right in the middle of the candle if it's at the higher price. I think we'll get it. Come on, come on, come on. Right here. That's all I need is right there. God, don't do me like this. Don't do me like this. 79, and I'm at 77. Come on, come on. Just a point and a half more. Go down a little further. That's it. Oh, that's it, isn't it? Come on, bro. Nah, don't do me like that.
Order filled.
Okay, there we go. Oh shit, I don't know. Do I have a stop? I don't have a stop. Oh, fantastic. Stop market. 75. What am I filled at? 77. So I'll just put it right.
Order submitted.
Put it here for now. Excuse me. Now I don't want a full 15-point stop because it's just a 5-minute setup. 5-minute 9 is about to be up here when this candle closes. I'll put it under that. I think we're at what? Just 9 points? Yep. Perfect. Perfect stop. If I get stopped out, I'm done. I don't want to give any more back. It's Friday. I want to go chill with these gains. It kind of smells like I'm going to get stopped out, doesn't it? The old smelly trades. That's a short setup right there. It's just a 5-minute short setup. You saw that like dump, that little mini dump off of it? That means someone probably shorted. Yeah, right here. It hit it and then it died. I know the 1-second chart is haram, so I'll try to stay away from it, but I saw that in the order flow there. I wanted to mention it. 9-point stop. I'd probably take this off at 10 points. I just wanted to show a live trade, but actually when it's set up, not just because I forced it. So let's see what happens here. Let us see. Is ES done, or is it going to push one more time? I'm hoping it pushes one more time.
Order submitted.
86, I'm in at 77, 9 points. Yeah, that's fine. This trade doesn't feel as good. It really doesn't. I'm almost just tempted to call it. But we're coming up around where the volume dies. I would assume it already has been dying. Yeah. 13,000, 15, 7, 9, 8, 6, 5, 2. Well, 2 in this one. I just want a little push, though. Just a little push. Just a little push. YM is going crazy. You see, like, I could feel it in the price action there. I should have probably taken it off break even there. It just didn't. It doesn't feel like it wants to push. That was a little. That was a 50 contract order there. The 1-second chart is so AIDS. Look at this. We're just holding this tight range, 79 to 76. It's kind of fun to watch, but this is the gambler's mentality, isn't it? Do I have a tick chart on this thing? Nah, I don't like the tick. That's not as fun. This is fun, isn't it? Woohoo! Look at that. What the hell was that? Yo, this is kind
Order filled.
Okay, no, I don't want to.
Order canceled.
Nice. Nice. Exactly what I wanted. 87 got filled at 87, didn't I? 86. Perfect. Now, that's getting rejected. The volume's kind of dying out. This seems like it could just consolidate and then rip, and maybe I'll take another trade this AM or this afternoon, but for now, I think that's good. Holy shit, I'm tired. I gotta go work out. I gotta go cook. It's Friday. Got some fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you sometime next week. Peace.